Introducing the all-new eWATER refilling station, 3-in-1, isang makina, tatlong serbisyo, refill from 1 to 50 liters, ice tubig, ice tube dispenser, sulit na, practical pa, maximized ang water filtration system, may storage ka pa na 20 to 100 liters sa loob at hanggang 2,000 liters sa labas. Stainless-FRP-GRP. You choose. At syempre, outdoor ready ang buong unit. Full stainless body, built for long-term ang gamitan. Gusto mo ng touchscreen? Meron. Gusto mo keypad? Meron din. Customizable kiosk controller for your budget. Plug-and-play setup with 1-year replacement warranty. Walang hassle. May existing refilling station ka ba? You can order the eWATER box at Kiosk controller as a standalone upgrade. This is a prototype or concept design. Pwede i-customize based on your needs and demand. Message us now to order 0936 737.9798 FP, my KJO email, tripsilogph09@gmail.com.